Thank
Okay,
you.
so first
मैं
of
तो अभी
all,
फिलहाल
congratulations
Thank you. What are you congratulating me for?
for your new web show, Sumer Singh Ke
Thank you.
Five Girlfriends. Uh,
Thank you so
it is
much.
released, and everyone is watching right now, enjoying lockdown while watching your web series. So, what sort of response you're getting?
First of all, thank you so much, Zoya. So sweet of you. It is, our. I was just talking to somebody about it, and I thought I'll start this with that. In our line of work, we're so lucky that when we work, we get that experience of working. हम लोगों ने
Yes,
ऋषिकेश में शूट किया, दिल्ली में शूट किया. The director is Namit Sharma, who was the producer of the first season of this. This is the second season. Sumer Singh Case Files Girlfriends is the
yes,
second season. Bella Kaushikita. Um, same production house. We're on a great platform, Boot. But when you shoot it, you live that life, and when it comes back, when it releases, you're almost in a time machine. You know, you almost relive those moments again. So for me, and you reconnect with these people, you talk about it, and you do interviews, and then there's interaction with the same cast and crew. So we're very lucky that we actually get to kind of relive what we did. So first of all, the hard work and everything, like people say that the production house, and we also shot a little bit in the COVID times. So and luckily before the shoot, everybody who was on the shoot was negative, and after the shoot again we did tests because we have to go back home to our families. We were negative. So I just want to say congratulations to Woot, to the production house, because
uh,
so
so
it's commendable. It's because everybody's got to work. You got to now that everybody's watching it. Hello. Now that everybody's watching it, it's very nice to get like fun messages from people on Twitter. Like one kid said, "Sir, आपकी वजह से मेरे को 99 rupees खर्चने पड़े." मैंने कहा क्या हो गया? So I said in a private message, and he's like, "I saw the first episode, which was free, but after that I had to spend money because it's so interesting." So it's a great compliment, but also it's a fun way of kind of expressing yourself. And because our producer, our director, has produced so many web series, but this is the first one he's directed. It's such a great experience because he's a really senior guy, Namit sir. But मैं उनको बोलता हूँ हाँ डेब्यू हो रहा है, best of luck, nervous तो नहीं हो, and he is nervous, so it's excited. It's so exciting. The story in itself, Zoya, is about people like us. We're the youth of this country. हमारे जो जितना हम निर्भर करते हैं ना टेक्नोलॉजी पे और अपने फोन्स पे और जितना ज्यादा हम शेयर करते हैं सोशल मीडिया में इसमें ना कई बार it's a good tool. What we are doing right now,
yes,
we're using it as a good tool. We're interacting over the net, and we will be promoting somebody's hard work. But if not used correctly, it can be harmful, and that's true for everything. Even a car. If you're using a
definitely.
car to go from point A to point B, school to college, but if you're using it to chori karo and bhago and all that, or see, it's the tool, and that's what you look at in. Whereas my character is using the social media to figure out a crime, there's another person who's using the tech and to blackmail people. And in this season, the beauty of my character is that last time when I was solving the Kaushiki case, I was objective, ACP who was determined to do well, solve the cases, help people. And now I'm in a situation where I'm involved in a relationship with one girl and her three friends are there, and suddenly the case and they're involved. So that objectivity of being a great cop, that gets a little complexed with the emotion, and then my mother is involved, this and that. So as an actor, it's great that the character has now reached a different place in his life, and there are complications. That's why I was like, wow man, this is so I'm so lucky that from first season, when you go to the second season, there's more to do in the character. And um, and young hungry actors who want to do well in their life, everybody professional. So we had a lot of fun on the set, a lot of banter, and everybody was trying to do their best and look good and everything. And just we had a blast, and this was like a very efficient shoot, very hard, long days, but like बहुत कम दिनों में हमने ये shoot किया because we had to be efficient, and of course with the situation around. And we're happy that it's there and it's on such a good platform, and we're getting to
Yes.
talk about it, and people are watching it now. And I mean, जैसे कि आपने बोला कि अभी लॉकडाउन हो रहा है दोबारा and people are going to see it. That's just, I mean, uh, it's a strange situation because you want people to watch it and have fun in their lives also. But it's good, at least while they're there, we get to entertain them while they're in their homes.
Definitely. Also, it's a second season. So I really want to ask you, okay, what made you to choose second season also? I know season one was also a super duper hit, but what's your opinion about it?
Uh, मेरे को सेकंड सीजन की स्टोरी जब उन्होंने बोला ना इन द सेकंड सीजन यू गेट पोस्टेड टू अनदर सिटी एंड यू गेट इन्वॉल्वड एंड देन द पीपल दैट यू गेट इन्वॉल्वड विद योर फ्रेंड सर्कल द केस इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड देम आई वाज लाइक मैन दैट मींस सुमेर सिंह विल himself have lots of it'll be an emotional roller coaster for the actors. See, when you go and you're a badass cop, which you do, and it's great, it's fun. But when you have to be vulnerable, when you have to be hurt, it's great for an actor. So there was no way that I wouldn't do it. And the fact that the production house was uh, so good, and it was going to be on Voot. Voot is like my home, yeah. Roadies, Splitsvilla, everything I do is generally. So
Yes.
I'm like, so it was just a no-brainer for me to, But it's now that we've gotten into the personal space of Sumer Singh and it's become more complex. Now I'm actually getting more ambitious about the series, even more than before. I'm like, okay, what do we do next? What happens to Sumer next? How does it become more exciting? So it's अब और भी अब ज्यादा ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार कुछ क्रेजी क्रेजी करते हैं,
Yeah, definitely. Like मैंने अभी एक ही एपिसोड देखा है, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, बट आई एम सो क्यूरियस टू सी रेस्ट ऑफ द एपिसोड, क्योंकि इतना सस्पेंस है कि ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं अभी और देखते जाओ देखते जाओ.
मैं एक्चुअली जोया तुम इतना सही बोल रही हो ना, क्योंकि जब हम लोगों ने शूट किया था मैं तो पूरा स्टोरी पढ़ा हुआ था, ऑब्वियसली स्क्रिप्ट मुझे पता था क्या होता है, कौन कैसे क्या कनेक्शन है, राइट. लेकिन जब आप एपिसोड देखते हो ना, तो जिस पॉइंट पे वो एपिसोड छोड़ते हैं, वो एडिटिंग और वो डायरेक्शन का कमाल ये है कि वो ऐसा छोड़ा और बोला अरे अगला एपिसोड तो देखना पड़ेगा. यू कैन जस्ट लीव इट एंड गो अबाउट योर डे कि यार, तो एक दो एपिसोड जब ऐसा देख के लगता है क्या होने वाला है, उस किसने किया होगा, ये क्यों बोला, ये क्यों हुआ. सो आई लाइक दैट द हुक पॉइंट इज वेरी नाइस इन एवरी एपिसोड. So congratulations to our editor also.
Yeah. सर आप एक कॉप का किरदार निभा रहे हैं, एंड वी ऑल नो कि कॉप के किरदार के लिए आपकी पर्सनालिटी बहुत सूट करती है, बट पर्सनली आई वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू कि कितना आपने वर्कशॉप, कितना प्रिपरेशन किया था टू मेंटेन द बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड एवरीथिंग.
जोया, ये ना जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं उनको पता है कि अगर आप मेरे पास एक रोल के साथ आएंगे जहां पर मुझे यूनिफॉर्म पहनना है, तो मेरा आधा दिमाग तो पहले ही हाँ बोल चुका है. ठीक है, मेरे पिताजी फौज में थे. सो एनीथिंग विद एन आर्मी ऑफिसर और विद अ कॉप, माय डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग इज कि हाँ मुझे करना है, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम आई वेयर अ यूनिफॉर्म इट्स लाइक एन ऑनर, राइट. I know that it's not, but as a profession, I am in the profession where I can feel and be an officer, and hopefully anybody who's an officer who sees it feels good about it, right? So the demeanor of an officer is something that I've lived with in my life. I've seen it, but there was interrogation scenes वगैरह हैं. उसमें एक interrogation में अगर आप पहला season देखो, I'm a little different because I didn't know those people. They're not my friends. In this one, the interrogation scenes, when you know somebody, how do you go about it? वो ना मीठी छुरी and all of that. So that we had to figure out, and we had to do some. We did a lot of readings and figure out, नहीं यार, can't be too stern. This person thinks that you mean well. You have to go, and so there's a little bit of research, and you kind of get it from your own experiences in life. When I've interacted with IAS officers, when I've interacted with cops, we do functions and events with cops, what their demeanor is, how they stuff. तो मेरे एक आधे दोस्त हैं, तो उनसे बात करा कि ऐसा केस. तो he also said, generally you're not like always like क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, right? You just, even if you've solved things and everything, you just keep a poker face. You just don't let a person know that what you know, and then things open up. So that's the beauty about acting, that if you're 20 years old and you do a cop thing, your experiences are less, but when you're a little older, your experiences are more, and you can add more to acting because of your own experiences.
Definitely. So every like even you will agree about it कि सारी लड़कियों को आपके साथ काम करना है, सारी लड़कियों को आपसे मिलना है. तो इस वेब सीरीज में भी 4 लड़कियां हैं. जब वो आपसे मिली उनका क्या रिएक्शन था, मुझे वो जानना है.
They were very sweet. So the Sumer Singh love interest is Nirali Banerjee, who's it's played by Karishma. So Karishma and I spent a lot of time because we have the maximum scenes with each other, and we had lots of chats, lots of interaction. We got along. But the other three girls, so much fun, and we had two more boys. One was Mahesh. Mahesh is played by Ayaz, and we had Siddharth. Siddharth is an ex. He's worked with MTV and Splitsville and Ayaz is from Roadies. So I knew these guys and we just used to have a blast and the girls were all very nice and very you know when you actually meet me there is only you'll get a brotherly feeling from me. So whatever it is at the end of the day we just sit and we chat. It's a very like just sit and chill and we're just cracking jokes, pulling each other's legs. Problem ये हो गया था कि we were getting along so much that sometimes to get into the seriousness and the intensity of the role, we had to be like, oh, guys, let's not hang out too much क्योंकि बड़ा serious मेरा scene है and they'll be like, हाँ मेरा भी serious है तो. But it was fun and I was really happy to meet these girls. Very professional. All the young people know now that I'm working with. When I work with a lot of young people, everybody's hungry and they're very prepared and nobody's a slacker anymore. Like I don't see young people. Some 5 बजे का call time है तो 4:45 सब पहुंच के कॉफी वॉफी पी रहे होते हैं, सब तैयार हो जाते हैं सुबह सुबह, सब सही टाइम पे आते हैं, सबको अपनी लाइंस याद रहती हैं बिकॉज यू नो द कंपटीशन इज सच एंड द प्रोफेशनलिज्म इज अ लॉट इन द यंग पीपल. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट.
कि whatever an actor plays, उससे कई सारी चीजें सीखने मिलती है. पर्सनली आपको इस किरदार से क्या कुछ सीखने मिला?
मेरे को इंटेग्रिटी जो है ना बहुत पसंद आती है लोगों में. इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग एंड एडमायरेबल थिंग्स इन अ पर्सन व्हेन यू नो कि अगर आप सही चीज नहीं करेंगे तो आपका फायदा है लेकिन आप फिर भी सही चीज करते हैं, आप मुश्किल चीज करते हैं, आप उसको कन्फ्रंट करते हैं. Eventually when you do many of these things you realize that that's the best case scenario, but when you don't know it na, you have that question कि यार actually तो मेरी दोस्त है मेरे. So that is admirable about Sumer Singh, that he does the right thing. Whereas doing the right thing is definitely going to not be personally good for him. So I like that. I actually kind of resonate with it and relate to it. What I like about Sumer is, which is not in me, is that he's very bondu when it comes to girls. He's very conscious. He's very awkward with girls. He's not had relations. So that is something that I had to really kind of work on, because for me it's not a. I mean, I'm not like that, and that's really something cute about the character.
Okay. Ran sir, we have always seen you in reality shows. What made you to come in a web series? And
So over the last few years, 8-10 years, I got offers to do films and shows. So I did Action Replay, London Dreams, Mode, Sharafa Gaye Lene. I did Pukar, where I'm an army officer. I did Kaushiki, did another show where I'm playing a professor. It's I think between reality shows and other things that I do and sports and acting, everything has a different high. And for me, when you're on a reality show, especially the two that I do, I'm pretty much in charge and I'm in control of many things. That we should do this, we shouldn't do this. This why don't we do this? This vote out, blah blah blah. Right here, I am trying to figure out somebody else's vision. Somebody wrote it, director saw it, somebody's got the set ready, and they thought that this guy's going to come and this is how Sumer Singh should be. And when you end up doing that, it's very satisfying creatively that you achieved something that somebody had thought of. And then when they say, man, I didn't think that Sumer would do this, but you did it very nice. And so the sense of achievement, and when you go back home and you're like, man, I did that scene very well because you pulled it off, is something that I enjoy about acting. So I'd like to, like in the last 10-12 years, I did like 3 Punjabi films also. I like to maintain a balance between both the things, and hopefully I'll be able to do that in the future also.
डेफिनेटली काफी आई एम श्योर कि बहुत प्यार अब तक मिल चुका होगा आपके शो के लिए, तो क्या कुछ फैंस से आप कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं सब फैंस और सबको ये बोलना चाहूंगा that first of all, stay safe and maintain social distancing. Let's get rid of this problem as soon as possible. Also, I'd like them to understand that if they want to do anything in life today, it's doable because the kind of exposure and the platforms that we have, you know, आज के इंडिया में बहुत सारी opportunities हैं. Anybody can achieve whatever they want. So to always follow their passion and work hard behind it. And when they get time at home to watch Voot Select and watch the series and let me know if they like it. And then if they like it, depending on what the reaction is, we'll figure out what Sumer Singh's going to do in the future. But I just want to thank them for so much love. And, I get a lot of support and love from a lot of people. And it's been 17, 18 years. I was very young when I came. And it's the love and the support that you get from people who watch you doing different things that makes you stronger. And so I'm really happy and I love them all.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure.
Likewise, Zoya. ख्याल रखना अपना and take care.
आप भी, sir. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.